Happy Saturday, welcome back to the channel. We're gonna turn this to this. Join us. Here with my sister Katie, and we are going to tear apart this garage and build a couple. I got a couple of kitchen cabinets from like a restore place that sells them for super cheap. I think all in all it was like $150, $200 for 2 big cabinets, 2 small cabinets, and then we're gonna take this entire mess of a wall I have of detailing gear, soaps, box tools, and we're gonna get it all organized together. Recording this on my channel, also recording this on her channel, linked below, Katie's Design Corner, and so you'll see it on both. But let's get started. So this is a before shot of what we're gonna work on over here with the garage. Just a bunch of random shelves. There's oil, there's cleaning supplies. So the goal is to completely transform this whole area and get all the junk out of here and put them in cabinets off the ground so I can catch, you know, Mickey Mouse running around on the floor down here easier. But first we have to build these cabinets, and these are Brighton Manor blind wall cabinets. I wasn't really picky about the color, the style. I just was picky that it was cheap.
What is the color?
I think it's white.
I thought you said you were going to have one built and you just left me one to build.
Yeah, I didn't have one. Didn't know this was going to be the IKEA channel, but this is what we're building here. It's a cabinet with a blind. It's meant to go in a corner, but that's why it was so cheap. 20 bucks, 30 bucks, whatever it was. And we're just going to follow these directions here. But we're going to do this really quick, so you don't have to watch us put together IKEA stuff for the next 3 hours. So go. Just like that. 2 cabinets ready. We're not putting the doors on. We're not putting the wall blank on because this thing gets heavy real fast. So we just have this built. Shoot, this one took us like an hour. This one took
10 minutes?
10 minutes. IKEA style. So now we need to clear the wall out and start figuring out where we're going to put these on the wall. Watch 2 idiots hang a cabinet. Higher. Lower. What's the hard part of it?
I can't see anything. I have no angle.
Oh.
We should have put another board at the bottom.
Oh, we still will.
You're going to do that right now?
My idea was to hold the 2x4 underneath, and I'm just going to all the way.
I mean, you should probably do it now while I can lean up.
No, I was going to send it completely through.
Oh, okay. I'm just...
There. So
even
what?
look to see if it's in
Nope,
frame.
just guess. See, good enough. So I went up in the mouse den, and I went and got this piece of wood. What?
You gotta start over.
Why?
Because I'm all in the frame like this. Okay, go
What's
ahead.
wrong with being in the
I
frame?
don't want to be in the frame.
You've been in the frame the whole time.
Not that close. Start over.
So I went up in the mouse den and I got this other piece of 2x4 here. I'm gonna put another one down there. We have this last big cabinet to hang. So far, leveling these has been pretty easy. And this one we're gonna hang. There's little holes in the back that you're supposed to hang them on. We're gonna hang one side on one, and then I'm gonna I'm gonna shoot a wood screw in the other side. To be continued. Starting to get all the spray waxes, the soaps, all the spray paints, all that stuff into those, and then I have to get these cabinets that are over here. They're a bunch of box tools, corded tools, stuff like that, and get those into the other cabinet, and then we'll clean this area up and switch. There's a reason why it's zoomed in right to the edges here, because if you look anywhere other than this perfect clean circle, it is a disaster in this garage. Complete disaster. But we ran out of time, and at least we got this project done. And that is a wrap for today's video. I don't know why I keep forgetting to shoot outros when I'm actually filming it, but we're a couple weeks later after this install, and my sister has come back. There's another video on her channel at this point where she completed cleaning the rest of this garage and all the mess that was created from doing this cabinet install. But for the most part, you can see that we got over here, have all of the detailing supplies. I'm planning on labeling all of this stuff, but we have, like spray paints, detailing supplies, tire cleaning, ceramic waxes, all in one cabinet. And then over here in the middle cabinet, mainly the wash rags, detailing microfiber rags, various detail sprays, and wash and wax and all that stuff in there. Overflow stuff up top along with towels or shop towels, and then all of the corded tools and all of the box tools in here. So this is like the specialized sets, like things like the brake bleeders and specialized like drill bits, stuff like that for cars, and ways to pull things to pull hubs with, stuff like that. So all of that is in here in this cabinet. And most importantly, it's sealed, it's off the ground. Mickey Mouse is not getting in those. While I was out of town this week, I did buy 2 more of those cabinets right there. So I'm going to be putting up 2 more to fill the rest of this wall and get some more stuff off the ground, so I can tell where Mickey Mouse is and have this area clean here. But for the most part, this is all cleaned up again. This garage is starting to take shape again, and that means more Vanagon content is coming, since I'll have this open, a little more clean and organized, so I can do those kinds of longer term projects again. So with that said, if you like this video, drop a thumbs up. If you made it this far into the video, how's your day going? Drop a comment down below and just let me know how it's going. Comments always help the algorithm, help get the video boosted, and then things like Vanagon content, and then camping content is easier because it'll get to a wider audience. So if you like this kind of overall content from the Sometimes Builds, we're all over the place. Sometimes working on septic tanks, sometimes four-wheelers, tractors, Vanagons, cabinets, you name it. We do a little bit of everything, because that's what life is. You got projects that come up, you got to do them. I've been putting this off for a while, but we got it done. So if you like the Sometimes Builds, Subscribe down below. See you next time. Peace.